Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we got a nice weekend watch face for you all to play over the weekend. Let's check it out. The name of this one is called ALC 1841. Very nice looking watch face. Now, in the always on mode, it's going to be dimmed down in the black mode. It's still going to look good. You'll still be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. But when it's on, this watch face gives you everything from calories burned, your step goal status completed, you get a nice digital time down at the bottom along with your date and your month, get your heart rate right there as well, and then up at the top it gives you time in 24 hours, right? This is decent. I like this. Give you the day of the week. It's very unique design. I'm loving it. And this guy gives you, I mean, tons of shortcuts that you can tap into at will. Just tap and it's going to take you exactly to where you need to go. You want to make a phone call? You can make a phone call. If you need to check your weather, you can check your weather. You got plenty of shortcuts to choose from. Dead center is just settings. I thought that was really nice. And if I double tap, I can change the color. Let me tap up here. Very nice and rich. I'm liking it. All right, guys, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you're going to go download this watch face and what kind of weekend do you have planned. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you enjoy your weekend. Enjoy family and friends. Eat well. But most of all, be safe. And I see you all at the next video. Take care.